the winner of the TT is ticket number 1039. Thomas Souza. Well done, Thomas. No, it's did you enter a competition?
Oh yeah, the raffle thing, yeah.
Yeah. You've won.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Nice one, mate. It was an Audi TT, right? So yeah, I bought 30 tickets. So
yeah, that's it. It's paid off for you. It's paid off. Right then, it is collection day for our TT. Tomas, the winner, has drove all the way up from Ipswich, so it took him about 3.5 hours to get here. He's waiting in reception. We're going to pull this round now, get a bit of a reaction video, having a look round it, and then we'll take it out for a quick test drive, see what he thinks. So let's see what Thomas thinks of his prize.
Nice. Good looking car, yeah?
It's not bad for a fiver.
Yeah. No, it's good, mate.
There it is.
Yeah, really pleased with it, mate, for sure. That rear end looks nice.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
TTRS style spoiler. Obviously, with it being like the black edition S-Line, it's already got the twin exhaust on there.
Yeah.
TTRS wheels. We've upgraded the brakes. So the front brakes, 4-pot TTS calipers.
Nice.
Obviously, we've done the remap and everything on there, the induction kit. So I think you've already been sent the graph. Did 210 horsepower.
Yeah, for sure.
So yeah.
No, it looks a really lovely car, mate. Yeah, for sure. But yeah, we'll see how it goes, mate, for sure.
Yeah. Let's get in it and go for a test drive then.
Okay,
yeah.
Let's go. This is with the wireless key, yeah?
Yeah, I've got both of them in my pocket. Right, crash course.
Crash course, yeah.
So it's in park, foot on brake, start button. There we go. So that's it basically then in reverse. So
reverse, neutral,
yeah,
DSG.
Yeah. So that's drive. You've got manual, so you've got up and downshift, and then you've got sport as well. So it'll come up on the dash when you start driving, if it's in drive or sport. And then handbrake. So as long as your foot's still on the brake, you can press that, and your handbrake's off.
Nice. Okay. So it's in. Oh, that looks so.
You have got a driving license, haven't you?
Yeah. Okay, test passed, nice.
Yeah. So yeah, if we go left here, we can just go down the bypasses. Natural reaction to grab the gear stick.
Nice. Yeah, it's first time driving in a semi-auto, definitely no clutch word experience.
Yeah. So who's driving this back, you or the missus?
I think I'll probably learn along the way, but yeah, it's not so. Feels weird without the clutch, but
yeah. Has she ever drove an auto? Or?
No, she's a manual girl as well. She has a Citroen DS3.
So I think if we put it in sport, so if you see then the D went to an S, and then we've warmed up a little bit now. So if you give it a little squirt,
the RPM goes to.
If you put all that's it. It'll drop down the gears as well. So on the accelerator pedal, there's a kick down. So if you put the foot all the way to the floor, it'll hit the kick down, and then it'll drop down to the best gear.
Makes sense. I think the DSG is much more evolved than the old auto gearboxes. It's smarter.
Yeah, I think that's the thing now. A lot of the new autos, obviously the DSG it's kind of like a dual clutch system. But even like the true autos.
Is this way?
Just keep going, sorry. Just testing out the handling.
Yeah.
Then this one, yeah, that's it. Yeah, even like the true autos, so a lot of the new BMWs are coming with the 8-speed autos.
Yeah.
They're pretty good now. In fact, they're probably one of the best gearboxes you can get.
Yeah, nice.
So it's got a nice balance, this as well. You've got a nice amount of power, not too much, but you've still got the economy as well.
Yeah, this is like the perfect car for a daily driver. Like you said, a roadster, you know, going A to B very quickly.
Yeah, looking good on the way.
It's not a car for, you know, bringing the whole family, kids and everything.
Yeah. Nice weekend car.
Yeah.
Weekends away, whatever else.
Yeah, especially the summer is coming, so
Yeah, that's it. Sunglasses on, windows down.
Yeah. I think the missus will probably drive it more than me, but
Right.
we'll see. Yeah, definitely pleased with it, mate. Really super.
Good.
I never won anything in my life, so.
I'm same. We do a lot of these competitions, and obviously I'm the one giving the prizes away.
Yeah.
So it kind of eggs me on to enter other competitions, and I never win. Us doing the competitions, I see that sometimes, like yourself, you buy 30 tickets, it's just right as well, yeah. Sometimes you buy 30 tickets, you spend quite a lot, it pays off, but sometimes we've had people that have won cars, keep going up, and they've literally just bought one ticket.
Yeah.
So it's...
Yeah, depends on the lucky strike, right?
Yeah, that's it. Next one, next right, yeah.
Yeah, I thought, you know, it was over Christmas. I say, yeah, let's go all in. I'm all in or nothing guy.
It's just in here.
So yeah, nice. Yeah, super pleased with it, man.
Yeah, cool.
I'm almost convinced. Reverse, okay.
Yeah, go on, we've got it.
Nice.
You'll get used to it in no time.
Yeah.
No, thank you very much for entering.
Yeah. No
Congratulations again. Shake your hand now.
worries, mate. Yeah, nice one, mate. Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Thank you. Yeah, definitely will enjoy it, mate. Yeah, and yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Right, we'll get some paperwork sorted out. I'll end this video here, Matt, as well. Yeah, as we've just seen, you've got to be in it to win it. If you don't enter the competitions, there's no chance you're going to be like Tomas and get yourself a new car. So keep an eye out for any future competitions. We'll put a link to our competitions page in the description. Get entering those, and good luck.
Get in!
Right.
Wow. I'm feeling a little bit flushed.
I've got to give it to you, Darkside. This is an absolute weapon. Woohoo, look at that. Get one of me.
Oh, flipping hell, he's snatching.
No, it's alright.
It's a bit twitchy.